Guys, we're on New Rochelle, New York today. We are rehabbing a 24-inch, 500-foot sewer main from intersection to intersection. We had set up twin bypass pumps running 6-inch discharge hose. The town was doing this as a preventative maintenance so they can stop any I&I through the clay tile existing mains. Some joints had some cracks in it, but the liner will take care of that. And we'll check in on the crew here shortly.
Hold on just a second.